Welcome, tech professionals. If you have ever found setting up Route 53 and EC2 challenging, you're in the right place. Today, I will guide you through a straightforward setup tutorial to get you operational quickly. Let's begin. Step 1. Purchase a domain from Hostinger. It is a simple process. Visit Hostinger, select a suitable domain, and complete the purchase. Your domain is now acquired. Next, let's create an EC2 instance. Open your AWS Management Console, navigate to EC2, and launch a new instance. Name it something memorable like Test DNS. Go through the configuration settings, keep it simple, and launch the instance. Step 3. Write a basic script to get your web server operational. This can be as simple as a Hello World HTML page. Once your script is ready, upload it to your instance and launch it. Your EC2 instance is now live. Now onto Route 53. Step 4. Create a hosted zone. Head over to Route 53 in your AWS console and set up a new hosted zone for your domain. This will generate a set of name servers for you. Step 5. Update all name servers in your respective registrar. Go back to Hostinger, find the domain you purchased, and replace the default Hostinger name servers with the ones from your hosted zone. Ensure to save those changes. Step 6. Copy the public DNS of your EC2 instance. This is the address where your instance is accessible. We will need this for the next step. Heading back to Route 53, let's create a record. Step 7. Create a new record and select CNAME as the record type. Paste the public DNS you copied earlier into the record value. Save the record and you are set. And there you have it, status. Now you can check your web server by entering your domain into a browser. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your web page live. That concludes today's tutorial. With just a few steps, you have successfully set up Route 53 and EC2 to work together. Try it out and let me know your experience in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Cheers and happy coding!